Maeve, your uncle has received a sentence now of 6 years and 9 months for the crimes he committed against you. What's your reaction to that now today?
Yeah, I'm happy. I didn't really know what to expect, but I am happy with that outcome. Yeah, definitely.
And this is something you have obviously carried with you for an awful long time, since you were 3 or 4 years of age. So you've been carrying this with you for decades. Do you feel today that there's any sense of a kind of a completeness or closure?
Yeah, well, I do feel like I got my justice today. So yeah, I hope now that I feel like I got my justice, that I'll be able to carry on my life a bit better.
And obviously, you had an option of staying anonymous, or waiving your right to anonymity to identify Thomas Howard, but that also meant identifying yourself, and you were very comfortable in doing so. What drove you to bring this out into the open and into the public?
Well, I know from past experiences reading other people's stories helped me, and I just thought if I could help somebody, even one or two more people like me that are suffering in silence, that if I could help even one or two of them come forward, then that would be brilliant.
And there will be people obviously looking at this today who are in a similar situation to yourself, but they have done nothing yet.
Yeah,
What would your
absolutely.
message to them be?
Well, I always thought that once you went to your doctor that you'd have to name your abuser, but that is not the case. You can actually go get the help you need and get the counselling you need without actually naming your abuser until you're in a better place or in a strong enough place to actually go to the guards. You don't automatically go to the guards. You have that safe space to talk about it, and then it's up to you.